A 22-year-old law student's arrest has snowballed into a political flashpoint. Sharmishta Panoli, despite apologizing and deleting a controversial video, was arrested and brought to Kolkata, sparking a fierce war of words between the BJP and the TMC. Here's a report.
The mode of harassment you've done, being in a democracy, this is not a democracy.
22-year-old influencer Sharmishta Panoli arrested over her alleged communal post, where she allegedly targeted Bollywood stars and a particular community over their silence on Operation Sindoor. The influencer was arrested by Bengal police from Gurugram after protests in Bengal. Despite deleting her post and apologizing, a Kolkata court sent Sharmishta to 14 days in jail. Sharmishta hit out at her persecution and called it targeted harassment.
The mode of harassment you've done, being in a democracy, this is not a democracy.
Articles that were used, that has been allegedly stated by the prosecution to have been used, being the mobile phone and the laptop, has already been seized. Subsequently, the learned court heard our prayer. The police custody prayer was sought by the prosecution, which was turned down and rejected, and subsequently the accused has been remanded to judicial custody till 13th of June 2025.
Now, the BJP has come out in support of Sharmishta, calling her arrest hasty, claiming that Chief Minister Mamta has made even more communally charged remarks. Actor-turned-BJP MP Kangana Ranaut called the arrest a North Korea-style political bullying.
उसको जेल में डाल देना, उसको जेल में रखना, उसको सताना, उसका पूरा करियर, उसका पूरा कैरेक्टर खराब कर देना, ये जो है बहुत ही गलत है। किसी भी बेटी के साथ ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। मैं ममता जी से ये मैं विनती करती हूँ कि उसे जल्दी ही रिहा किया जाए। वो उसकी उम्र भी बहुत छोटी है एंड शी इज अ लॉयर। उसका सारा करियर, सारी जिंदगी जो है बर्बाद करने की जो साजिश की जा रही है, दिस इज वी डोंट सपोर्ट दिस।
एक्शन जो सनातनी है उनका ऊपर होता है, और यहाँ सनातनी का गाली देना लाइसेंस है। एक खास समुदाय जिनका उनका वोट बैंक है, उनको तुष्टीकरण करने के लिए कर रहा है।
TMC said the law must apply to everyone, and the BJP is trying to stir up confusion by digging up unrelated cases.
शुभेंदु अधिकारी ऑपोजिशन लीडर वो कंफ्यूज करने के लिए वो कंपेयर करके ये स्टेटमेंट कर रहा है, लेकिन इसका कोई कंपैरिजन में नहीं होता। ये अलग सिचुएशन है, अलग स्टेटमेंट है, वो अलग स्टेटमेंट था।
While Bengal police is justified in acting against Sharmishta, the Mamta government is yet to act against TMC councillor Mehboob Alam, who was named by a High Court fact-finding report for selective attacks on Hindus, and this was in Murshidabad. Has law been applied selectively in Bengal then? Bureau Report, India Today.